Oh, it's got a motor. Gonna be doing we're gonna be adding some shocks here, probably work on the fuel tank a bit, and yeah, this, and then some wiring yet. Miscalculation, but I'll just trim that off. But yeah, we got some shock mounts. Pull the fuel tank, and now I am just going to modify. I'm gonna cut this open here so that I can actually put some hoses on and stuff. So that'll be the next step here. There you go. Looks pretty good, but wah, wah, wah. So now I gotta make a filler. I screwed up cutting. That's life. So I'm pretty much gonna do that, welder in, burn it down, and then I can put the tank back in. Well, I gotta change the pump and stuff. I might do that first. Get the right lines on it. I'm still waiting for a fuel gauge, so I don't know. We'll see where we go from here, but at least I'll get this fixed up and glued in. Holy Dinah. I ran out of black, then I had white seam sealer, then I accidentally touched it with my finger, just turned it into a big disaster. But anyways, it's done, sealed up. It'll be fine with a bit of paint. Just wait for that to seal. I think I'm almost done everything with my floors that I can actually paint the floor. Alright, well, this is the cam that I ordered. Don't know how well you can see that. Specs. It's not a crazy cam, it's actually just for stock springs. It's one of their no springs cam. I'm just going to go through how to stab it in there. So the only nice part about the LS is you don't have to pull the lifters out. So pretty much, if you can do this, you just flip the motor over and whatever, all the lifters will stay in place. If you don't, and it's in the car, you can put 2 dowel pins in here, and it should hold all the lifters in place. So, anyways, I'm gonna pull this one out and get the new one ready. Okay, well I have the motor in. I just have it propped up. I'm going to lift it up and I'm just going to support the motor. Right now I just have a stick there just so it doesn't hit the firewall. I was going to get the flywheel and all that stuff on, and I could have done it off the car, but I didn't want to do it on the hoist. So I'm going to lift it up, support the motor, and get my transmission on there. And I guess maybe I'll actually try to make my drive shaft too while I'm down there. Yeah, see where I get. Okay, got this slave to fit on after like monstrous amounts of modifying, but should be good. Haven't tried it, so with any luck it'll actually work. Let's see. PCM's mounted. The wiring looks like crap right now. I'm going to clean that up a little bit. I'm going to extend all my wires. Figure out where I'm putting my tack module and all that jazz. Yeah. Do some of that. Oh, wiring. It's actually not as bad as it looks. See, this is my fuse box now. So this is like my where am I at here? I know this is the wrong fuses, but these are the only fuses I got lying around here. So like these are my right bank, left bank, all my sensors, and my O2s. No, all my sensors, O2s, right bank, left bank, my motor. This stuff's like a huge mess right now, so that'll get cleaned up. But these like funnel down, so, and then here is my relay for my fuel pump. This is my relay for my electric fans, and this is the fuses for both, and it also doubles up for my PCM power. So it's not terrible because it will fit behind here, and then this is gonna go. Trying to place it in place here, sort of. So this is all gonna sit in here. My fuse box is gonna sit there. My relays and everything will be down here when I get it done. This one's gonna come back, and I'll just piggyback it off the back of my alternator. I don't have my accessory drives on the front yet. And then my TAC module, which is actually just basically just controls your gas pedal, that is going to be mounted up there. So yeah, I'm going to be making another video explaining how I did the wiring for this, and what I do in HP tuners just to do a basic startup tune. So yeah, that'll be coming up soon. That is where I'm at. We're pretty much, I don't know, I think I'm calling her a night. It is about 11:30 on Thursday. Well, a little bit of a segue. I'm just going to for my airbag stuff, I'm just going to put dual valves in the back. So I just had 2 of these brackets. I could make one, but whatever. For what it's going to take, I'm just going to cut this off so I can put both paddles on the one side. I don't know what else I would do with this. So yeah, I'm going to get right on that. Ta-da!